Hi guys, welcome back to Drinks with Goody Drinks with Goody. I really just changed the whole beat of the song, but who cares? But anyways, today's video is going to be a candy jar tutorial. I just came from the dollar store and I got plenty of candy, plenty of candy. Do not mind my hair. I just woke up and it's hot as fuck in Georgia right now. ATL to be exact. So I can't really be wearing this bang like how it's supposed to be. It's gonna be a split part, whatever. But anyways, if you want to see how I made this video or any other videos, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel first and keep watching.
So first you're going to need some Bacardi. When I went to Puerto Rico, this is pronounced Bacardi. Bacardi. Oh. All right, I know y'all hate me. You're going to need some sour apple liqueur. You're also going to need some sour apple Kool-Aid mix that I got from Walmart. You're going to need some candy. Bands that make her dance. Y'all tired of me yet? I know. So you're going to pour 3 shots of Bacardi to your blender. You know, we're trying to fill it, but not too strong. You're going to add your liqueur. You could really add as much liqueur as you want to. I really just added like 2 shots worth so it can be nice and sour apple-y. I just made up a new word. Who cares? You're going to pour in 4 cups of ice. Now, I did it like at separate times because my drink came out really watery when I had just used 2 cups of ice. But you're going to see. So now you're going to pour in your Kool-Aid mix. Again, you could pour into your heart's desire until God tell you to stop. That's why I was talking about how it came out watery. And when you're layering drinks with candy, you want it to be thick. So I just added another cup of ice. So this is what it looks like with 4 cups of ice. It's nice and thick. I hate my blender, yo. It'll be leaking at the bottom, but it's okay. I'm not going to trip. New blender on the way. So this is what it should look like. It's nice and thick, like I'm trying to be for summer 2020. I don't want to be fat no more. I want to be thick. So you're going to grab a straw. These are paper straws I got from Walmart. They're really for decoration. They're not really good to drink out of because the end get real soggy. So you're going to add your gummy worms to the end of the jar. Usually I get like the regular ones, not the sour ones. I let it hang. But they only had these, so I'm going to make it work. Next, you're going to grab your peach rings. These bags was dumb hard to open. Like, I don't know if I'm just a weak bitch or what. But I'm going to use the gummy rings and put it on my straw. I like putting it all the way to the top. That's just me being extra. That's just like the little goodie touches I have with all my candy drinks. The straw, you could barely see the straw. Nah, these strawberry. I was about to say strawberry. These Starburst duos, yo, they was really pissing me off because I just could not open it. Like, I know y'all see the struggle here. Y'all see it. It's not me. It's whoever made this. Like, ugh. So, you're going to unwrap your candy and you're going to put it on the top. You know, we're making our drink cute. You know. It's the quarantine still, even though we outside in Atlanta. We're still in quarantine, you know, the club not open yet, so might as well get you a little green slushy, go outside and pretend you somewhere else. So you want your drink to be cute. So right now you just see me struggling to open these little candy wrappers with my long wretched nails. But this is the end result. See how cute it is? It's all Instagram worthy. Look at it. It's all cute. Oh, whatever. It's leaking. But I don't care. So I'm just spinning it around to show you what it looks like because that is the final product.
Excuse my neighbors. They're having a birthday party, but this is the final product of the drink. Well, the final product of, you know, the mason jar. I feel like I didn't say that right the first time, so I had to repeat myself. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks all pretty. Do not buy these straws. These straws are really for decoration and not really for drink making because you really can't drink from them. Like, it's like you're sucking on paper that's dipped in water, okay? Well, let's go ahead. Y'all, my neighbors are really out here being wretched. Let's get started. Okay, this is good. It's not as strong as the last drink I made because that last drink really had me fucked up, y'all. Like, seriously, I was lit off that Hunt Punch. But this is perfect. This is a nice little summer spring drink you can make with your friends for a girls' night. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my Patreon, which is Drinks with Goody. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at GoodyBagsBelly. Bye y'all.